In this video, we're going to talk about a secret bank that approves lines of credit up to $1 million.
Okay, Marvin, no one is talking about this bank, but Money Magnus, this one that you don't want to miss out on. But let's see what products that they have. The first card is the City National Now credit card. Now, these credit cards don't come with the 0% interest, but you can build a relationship with this bank and they're going to open the doors for you, okay? So you get 1 times the points per dollar spent. And the APR is a little bit on the high side, but just think about when you can get up to $1 million because you built that relationship. Now, there's no annual fee to hold this card in your wallet. And one thing I love about this card is it can be a secured card or it can be an unsecured card. But Marvin, let's dive into what other products that they have.
All right, we're going to talk about the City National Cashback Credit Card. With this card, you get 1.5% cash back on all purchases. It's no annual fee, guys. And what I love about these Visa cards, you get the Visa Signature Concierge. You also get the Visa Luxury Hotel Collection and the Visa Signature Perks. But this is more like after you've done the 0% period on one card, you'll switch over to a card like this. And like Gloria said, I would really set up a checking account and have a relationship. And speaking to that, those of you who have done business with City National Bank, make sure you put some comments below. Also, guys, make sure you like and share this video. And those of you who are business owners that are looking to raise up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you look in the description below and set a free Zoom call with Gloria and myself. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, so the next card is the City National Flex Reward Card. Now, this card comes with rewards, so I love the rewards, guys. And it's 0 annual fee, so you don't have to pay to hold it in your wallet. But let's look at what the rewards are, okay? So you get up to 3 times the points on this card when you spend $1 on gas, 2 times the points when you spend $1 on dining and groceries, and 1 point on all other purchases. Now, this card does come with concierge, and it also has Visa Luxury Hotel Collection perks. You know, I love that. But let's look at what else they have to offer.
All right, we're talking about the City National Visa Infinite Credit Card. With this card, you get 3 times the points on travel. So this is more the card you want to book your travel with. Now, they do have a high annual fee. It's $400, but you can get that back with some of the perks. You get up to $350 in airline incidental fees on a statement credit. You also get up to $550 airline club membership, which could be a statement credit as well. And you get the priority pass lounge access. And that really helps out if you got a flight that's late or if you get there early and you're a little hungry or you want to get a drink. But guys, keep in mind with these credit cards, they may pull Experian. In some cases, they may pull Equifax because they have branches in 9 states, you know, as far as California, all the way over to the East Coast in New York. But Gloria, let's tell them about this $1 million line of credit that they got.
Now you talking my type of talk, Marvin.
We're going to jump right back into this video, but I just wanted to take a moment and share something with you. I know you're wondering, how can you qualify for this card if you don't have great credit? Well, guess what? I've been there before. I went through a bad divorce, I had collection accounts, and I even lost my business. Well, no worries. I have the solution for you. It's Luxury Credit Hacks. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, it imports the credit report for you in under 1 minute. Can you believe that? Step number 2, it creates your dispute letters for you. You don't have to think about it. And number 3, it emails it to you. So then all you have to do is print, mail, and you're done. All the work is done for you. Let's head right back over to the video.
Okay, Money Magnet. So we're going to look at this personal loan and this line of credit. But you want to keep in mind that you need to have your taxes and all of your documentation in place because with going up to $1 million, we know that they're going to require this information. Okay, so with this particular product, you get a dedicated relationship manager. You get a rate discount when you do automatic payments that come right out of your account.
You know, and the good thing about a loan or a line of credit, one, with the line of credit, you could pay it off and use it again. With the loan, you'll have predictable monthly payments that you can count on. And this is a good way to consolidate your credit cards. Instead of paying 5 or 6 different credit cards, you can consolidate that all into one loan. Now, the loan and line of credit can either be unsecured or secured, which means you can put up collateral where you can go up to $1 million, which it could be cash, it could be stocks, or it could be some other form of collateral. And you can talk to your banker about that. But the good thing about the personal loan, guys, you can pay down those credit cards faster, and you got a set monthly payment that you can do.
And Marvin, let's not forget, we have a saying,
Right.
It's better to have the money and not need it than to need it and not have it.
Yeah.
So that's what a line of credit is really good for, because it's there. You only pay as you use it.
And some of you guys could use a line of credit like this to actually jumpstart your business, or you need that injection of cash for marketing. So don't always sleep on a personal loan, guys. It can actually help you in your business as well. Gloria, let's tell them about the home equity lines that they have.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the HELOCs, okay? Because I know a lot of money magnets have a lot of questions about this, okay?
Yeah.
You can access anywhere from $25,000 to $10 million on
Yeah.
the HELOC. I haven't seen this at any of the banks.
You know, Gloria, we got to keep in mind, houses in New York and California can be very expensive.
Most
So
definitely.
this is the bank where if somebody wants to tap into some of their equity in their home, but they really don't want to get a new loan, they can actually get this home equity line of credit, and they can borrow up to 10 years. And that's the great part about City National Bank. If you guys are looking to tap in your equity and maybe, do some repairs or jumpstart a business, City National Bank has a product that's just right.
Yes, and Marvin, let's not forget that they do have low closing costs, because that does make a difference when we're talking about these jumbo loans like this, or these jumbo lines of credit against your home.
Yeah, and like rates as low as 7.8. And I know a lot of times you want to put everything on the business side, but when it comes to this rate and getting this money this cheap, this might be an option. But Gloria, let's tell them about the mortgages as well.
Okay, money magnets. Now on the mortgage side, they do have low down payments.
Yeah.
They have fixed rate mortgages. They also have adjustable rate mortgages and jumbo loans. I remember when there was a time where it was so hard to get a jumbo loan. So
Right.
if you're looking to purchase a huge home, this would be a good opportunity for you to look at this bank.
Also, one of the great things about this bank, they offer the City National Ladder Up, which is a $20,000 grant that can go towards your down payment or your closing costs. So when it comes to looking for a mortgage, this bank is in 9 states. We're going to put all the states right here on the screen. So if you guys are thinking about a bank that you really want to start a relationship with, like Gloria said, you got all your tax returns. I would make sure my credit score is over 700. I would make sure I got 2 years taxes, 2 months bank statements, and 2 pay stubs when I go to set up a relationship. Because if you really want to get these high limits, guys, let's face it, you got to be prepared for this.
And money magnets, they do have a business side. And if you would like for us to tap into the business side, most definitely drop a comment for us.
And make sure when you're getting ready to apply, you remove any freezes or any fraud alerts from your credit, because you don't want that to lower your limits or lower your chance of getting approved.
Okay, Marvin, hold up, money magnets.
What you got?
I have a gem. If you're looking for another bank that has high limits, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.